So guys, we are going to show you today one of the platforms where you can analyze synthetic indices. So this is the video, guys, that we're going to show you where you can actually analyze using the TradingView platform. So this is the platform, guys. We're just gonna open it up. So here is the website where you can find this TradingView platform for synthetic indices. As you can see, guys, these are all the synthetics that you know, V100S, all of them are here, including the step, but there's all other steps. Boom, crash, jump, all of them are here. And then there's commodities as well, gold, stocks, you know, your US 100, your Nasdaq, your whatever, German 40. There's Forex as well. All the other platforms that you guys know, including crypto, but they only have Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we're gonna focus on our tariff, guys. So these are the synthetics that you guys love, and you can analyze right here, guys. You can add your indicators right here, whatever indicator you use. We love using stochastic, and these are the settings. This is where you can change your settings, whatever you like. Can change your settings to whatever, you put whatever you want to put, but it takes time to load the entire chart. But guys, yeah, this is it. These are your time frames, so you can change from time frame to time frame. So it makes it very easy, guys, for you to analyze and plan your trades here. We're looking at V75 right now. I've never looked at it in a long time, by the way, because it just has been dropping and dropping and dropping. It has been dropped, but very soon this thing is gonna start going up. Very soon this thing is gonna start going up. So yeah, this is where you analyze, guys. You do whatever you wanna do. Some people analyze like this. I'm just showing you a typical way of analyzing. I don't usually do these types of analyzing, guys, but yeah, you know, one will do this. So everything is here. It's exactly a thing. It's exactly TradingView. But they allow you to, they allow you to analyze the synthetics. So we might see something like this happening. And yeah, guys, you know, but we don't know. This thing is still dropping, it's losing value, but we know it's gonna start going up, and we're gonna look forward to it. So yeah, guys, we can come to their website right here and start creating an account. So this is them. This is their website right here. You can come and open your account, whatever. I've opened my account. Here it is, but this is a demo, and here's the real account. But of course, I won't show you guys my my investments here. As you can see up here, these are my investments. Yeah, everything is going well, guys. Down here, here's the account that I'm using to actually trade. I can open all the other accounts that I want to open. And yeah, guys, also another thing maybe I can show you is you can download MT5 here on the PC. You can download MT5 on the PC, guys. Let's see if that's possible to show you guys. Yeah, here it is. So you just click on the account that you have, and then you come here, MT5, here it is. Then you click download. We already downloaded it. Here is the information, and this is how it's gonna look on your PC. Yeah, of course, I'm running on trades, guys, so I can't. I'm gonna have to hide all the other things because that's not part of the video. And then you can create your own template, guys. Here, when you come to properties down here, it's gonna come like that, with 4 different charts, and then you're gonna set the chart that you want, whatever chart that you wanna load, and then you can create your own template. Meaning you wanna come here, and when you come to colors, you can set all the colors here, your background, your grid. You wanna remove your grid, you wanna change the candles, everything. You do it here. We already done that, guys. And then from there, from there, when you click OK, it's gonna show here. Then you come to templates, guys. Right? You come to template, you say save template, and then you name it. Once you save it, when you come back, it's gonna appear here. Then when you click on it, it just automatically changes your charts to whatever you wanted it to look like. I hope I make sense, guys. So this is how you use it. And then yeah, you can also analyze here. As you can see, this is Euro USD. You can open that because you can also trade Forex on this platform. That's why I love this platform, because it just gives me multiple options. So this is where you can analyze. These are all your tools to use to analyze your trend lines, your horizontal lines, vertical lines. But anything that you don't find here, you just come here to insert, and then you come to objects, and then these are the other objects that you have here. Maybe like the triangle. You can put, as you can see, guys, here, this white line is the grid. So if you want to remove the grid, you just come here, here's grid, and you remove it. Then you can, have a clean chart, do all the good stuff, analyze, do whatever. So also the indicators are also there, guys. As you can see, here's my, not the indicators, the indicators, the indicators, your volumes, your stochastic, your whatever, you add them and they appear on the screen. So yeah, guys, I think this is the best way to set up your synthetic indices for trading on the PC. And these are all my charts, guys. I add them here. How do you add these charts if there's only like one chart? Simple. You come over here, show symbol, and then you add all the charts that you want to add. All the symbols that you want to add. So the gray ones are the ones that are not added, and then the yellow ones are the ones that are added. So this is what they all have, guys. Synthetics, crash, step, range, jump, crypto, energies, equity, the major forex, the miners, metal, stock indices. By the way, let's see ways. Okay, I don't find it. Let's check gold. XAU USD. Here's gold. You can add gold and say okay. Then you find gold here. You right click and you say window chart. It appears like that, guys. So what do you do? Because you saved your template. So simple. You come to your template and boom. So you don't have to start all over again to set up your chart. just go to template, and then here's gold. For those gold traders, you're gonna buy, you're gonna sell. I don't know what you're gonna do. What are you gonna do? Do whatever you wanna do, guys. So this is gold. So yeah, as you can see, guys, so the video is not about analyzing. It was just to show you how you can go about setting up your synthetic indices. You just come on their platform, download, or if you haven't opened the account, open the account, and yeah, you're good to go, guys. So thanks for watching. I like this this platform, guys, because trading view, sometimes it becomes easier to plan your trades and to see if everything is going as planned. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching.